letter, you have to do a half halt. Now, whether you hold it a long time, yeah, good. And half halt again. Shoulder in, his haunches in. Got it, yeah, he's got to get over there. Good. Yeah, good. There you go. Yeah, that was much better. One more time, your shoulder in. Good. Good. Very nice. There. There. Now feel how much smoother that was because you pulled the half halt. So he's kind of waiting and listening to you a little bit better, isn't he? Rather than just kind of plowing down and running through the shoulder in. I don't want him to run through the shoulder in. I want you to ride every single stride. Haunches in. Same thing with the haunches in. You half halt the front end, you ask for some haunches. Half halt the front end. It's plenty. Good boy. Half halt the front end and ask for more haunches. Good boy. Half halt the front end and ask for more haunches. Good. Half halt the front end and ask for more haunches. That's plenty, Marcy. Good boy. Straighten it. One more time. Good. Half halt the front end and ask for the haunches. Good. And now bring them back in the haunches in a little bit of half steppy feel. And just wait. Good. Until he settles. Wait until he settles. Good. Good. There and forward. Beautiful. Did you feel how he waited for you? And that's what I want him to feel. I want him to wait. I want him to settle in the bridle. I want him to settle in his leg. And I want him to listen and wait for you, not just be in a hurry to go. Haunches in again. And half halt again within the haunches in. And you just make him wait. Make him wait. Good boy. Excellent. That's beautiful. And yeah.